guys, Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Amazon and PinchMe haul. I'm super excited. I didn't expect all my packages to come today, Saturday, but all of them got here and I'm super excited. So first I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I got from PinchMe. Here is my PinchMe box. So this is this month's PinchMe box for September. I'm super excited. I got some Starbucks coffee. You guys know how I love my Starbucks. So shout out to them. You can find these at Walmart. And let me see, this one is the medium roast, so love that. They sent me some premium cotton dry wipes. I got this patch for your blemishes, which is really cool. And then they also sent me some coupons, which you guys can see in here, 20% off and everything like that. So if you guys are interested in getting your own PinchMe box, as always, go to the description. The link will always be there whenever I do a PinchMe unboxing. Now we're gonna get into the Amazon portion of this haul. You guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from this company on Amazon. They are so awesome. They sent me stuff for my babies, and yeah, so I'm super excited. They sent something for my daughter Nevaeh and also something for my son Isaiah. And Nevaeh is gonna be here with me. We're gonna do the little haul together, so she's gonna show you guys what she got, and I'm gonna show you guys what else I got. So let's get into it. Nevaeh, are you excited to see what's in this?
I'm gonna show you.
Okay, so this, let's see what the name of it is. Hold on. This is a pretend play makeup set. So let me help you open it. It says for ages 3 and up. She just turned 5, so this would be perfect for her. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, you got you some pink glasses. What's this?
A purse.
Let me see the purse. It says Lovely. It's actually a makeup bag. And then now is the, wait, hold on. The bag of makeup. And this is the pretend makeup. And what's this? Let me see the cards. Ooh, you got some beauty cards. So this says a cosmetic gift card. You got a gift card. And then here, cosmetic gift card. So let's see what's in the makeup bag. Okay, you guys, so here's everything out the bag, the makeup bag, the gift cards, and all this. You guys, this is so cool. It has pretend lipstick, spray. Let me see the glitter. Look at this, you guys. The eyeshadow, and it's all pretend blush. Let's open. What's in here? You want to open this one? Here's this one with the little mirror. There's this one.
And there's this.
Where's this one? Let me see this one.
There's
Ooh.
blush too.
Blush. Wait, this goes with it? Oh, it has little lips on it. Let's see what's in this one. Pink glitter. So cool. Look at this eyeshadow. It looks so realistic. And look at the colors.
Oh, we lipstick, guys.
And it has the little, this one to do. So cool. Another glitter right here. Let's see the lipstick right here. You guys, this is so cool. I'm gonna have fun with Nevaeh with this makeup set. Oh, is this mascara? Oh my gosh, you guys, they have mascara for eyelashes. Ah, it's so cool. So thank you so much for this Amazon company for sending this to us. I love everything. Look at these glasses. Thank you guys so much. Next is this Gin Mix Play Matte Set. This is what the company's called, Gin Mix. So let's go ahead and open it. It has animals and everything for Isaiah. Isaiah. So he's gonna play for, yeah, they're gonna play with, let me go ahead and open it. Look at this set. There's all the animals in here. It comes with this cute little bag. You guys can see, and I'm gonna open it. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so here's the play mat. It just looks like this. You just set it down and the kids, you know, play on it. Polar bears, wolves. Oh, this is so cool. Like the little mat you lay on the floor so they could play. And then here's all the animals you just dump out. My son is about to have so much fun with this. You too, Nevaeh. How you gonna play with brother? Oh, look, lions. Ah, this is so cool. So I'm gonna put it on the floor and see what he thinks about it. So you guys, here's the play mat. And they're playing with all the toys. Isaiah. Isaiah. Isaiah, look at, hi. Hi, Nevaeh. And they're here playing, have fun, playing with the toys. He's kicking, he's excited. And she has her makeup down there. Least this is the third thing that they sent. I think this is the Halloween ring, so let's see what's in here. Last but not least is this Halloween ring set. So obviously next month is October, Halloween's coming, so they send us these rings that you could blow up, and I guess you could use for decoration, use it for fun, play with them, have your kids play with them. So it's different. It has bats, this is web, it has spiders and just different kind of rings. And then I think this one is like a big spider actually. Yeah, that has like the legs and everything. Ooh. So yeah, they sent a bunch of these. Super cool. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.